Ayan guys, nag-add-on tayo ng fruits. Ayan. At salted cucumber. Ito ay homemade cucumber. Homemade salted cucumber. Ayan. Ginawa ni Granny. So, ayan guys. Mayroon akong video. I don't know it 4 years ago, 3 years ago. Ayan, na mayroon akong video na gumawa ng homemade salted cucumber. Ayan, ito yung ating setup for today. Ayan. So, ayan guys, sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe ng ating channel, please naman, don't forget to subscribe Donna Rosa Vlog. Donna Rosa Vlog. Come with me. Ayan, mayroon tayong song dyan, one. I will play for you. Also, the song here to our vlog. Okay? So, ayan guys. Thank you for watching. This is our vlog for today. Ayan. Ito guys, magluluto tayo ng rice. At nilagyan na natin ito ng salt. Lagyan natin ng
Taste it now, simple and so sweet. Every recipe she makes is always such a treat. Oh, Donna Rosa, shine a little more. Cooking love and laughter like never before. With her pets around and everywhere. Donna Rosa Black, joy is always there. Cute little paws, walking by her side.
turmeric
Pets in the vlog, spreading happy vibes. Morning to night, she shares her day. Simple moments in her special way. Oh, Donna Rosa, shine a little more. Cooking love and laughter like never before.
Lagyan din natin ng konting tandoori guys.
Around and
Para may
everywhere.
Indian food tayo.
Donna Rosa Black,
Mamaya.
joy is always there. Traveling or
Yan na
resting,
guys,
she brings a smile. Every new
Magigisa na
vlog
tayo.
feels worth the while. Cooking, caring, living so free. Donna Rosa Black, where we love to be. Oh, Donna Rosa, keep the light so strong. In every vlog you belong. Cooking dreams with pets so
Kasi
dear. Donna
grill
Rosa
tayo ng
Black, we're
chicken.
always here.
Lalagyan ko ng konting sauce. Pagawa ko ng sauce niya. Then, yun na lang yung toppings natin mamaya pag nakulangan siya sa chicken natin with rice.
Cute little paws walking by her
Kulangan siya ng
side.
chicken.
Pets in the
ayun na
vlog
yung
spreading
ating
happy
gagawin.
vibes.
So, ito guys, yung aking
Tonight
ginagawa.
she shares her day.
Wala akong sinusunod na recipe or
In
what.
her special way.
I make my own. Kasi yung gusto
Rosa,
ko lang
keep
yung
the light so strong.
gumagawa ako na
You
yung taste yung ating
Donna Rosa
inaano
Black,
dito
we're
kinukuha
always
kung
here.
gaano kasarap at hindi sa pagluluto yung gaano kasarap
Joy is
siya.
always there.
Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng recipe ito yung aking ginagawa today. Na guys, nagisa ko na yung ating sangkap at ilalagay na natin yung ating chicken.
Pets in the vlog, Pets in the
Ayan.
vlog, spreading happy vibes.
Ang bango.
Tonight she shares her
Ayan
day.
guys.
Simple moments.
Guys, ito na yan. At nilagyan natin siya ng konting carrots. Ayan. May ginagad tayong carrots. Ayan. Ayan. Ang bango at ang sarap. Medyo konting spicy siya guys. Kasi nilagyan ko siya ng red chili. Ayan. Medyo may anghang konti. Ang sarap niya. Guys, may nilagay ako. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. Lagyan natin siya ng konti. At inikos-mikos natin kung gaano kasarap yung lasa. I just only try it. Kung ano yung lasa. Ganun kasi ako eh. Pag may nakita ko, tinatry ko, hindi ako nagpapalo kung anong mga recipe mayroon. Ayan. Ayan. I make my own style. And I make my own taste. Guys, ito na yung ating Dona Rosa Rice Mixed Chicken. Ayan. Paano ba ito? Ano ba ang tawag dito? Ang pangalan? Dona Rosa Rice na lang, ano? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mixing nito eh. Pero alam nyo guys, ang sarap talaga. Hindi naman to tinatawag na biryani kasi nga ang kulang naman sa biryani. Hindi naman tawag ito na fluff or just like a fluff. Yung mga Russian dish. Yan yung fluff na tinatawag nila. Pero yung aking kulang. Kulang din siya pero napakasarap. Meron kasi akong pang-mix na yung nilagay ko kanina, yung pang-mix natin. Kasi parang fluff yun eh. Fluff ang tawag nila. So, with chicken. Ayan. May tasty talaga siya guys. So, ayan. Ito na naman yung ating nagawa for today. Ayan. So, pag hindi siya contented sa chicken, kasi ilang piraso lang, gagawa tayo ng grilled chicken para maidagdag siya. Ano? Ito. Ay, gusto ng aking layo ito kasi medyo spicy konti. Ayan, nilagyan ko siya kasi kami lang naman dalawa or yung kanyang friend ang kakain. Kasi wala na yung 3 person dito sa bahay today. Ayan. So, ito lang yung ating vlog for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, Dona Rosa Vlog. Ayan. Kaya isang portion natin ng chicken. Ayan. Minarinate natin ng paprika, tandoori, salt, black pepper. Ayan. So, i-marinate natin saglit at medyo stir fry natin na parang grill siya. Ayan. Yung style kasi pag hindi siya contented sa ating ginawa kanina na rice chicken mix, ayan, kasi konti lang yung nilagay ko kasi hindi naman maganda pag madami kasi parang maiba na yung lasa, parang ano lang yan. So ito yung ating ita-toppings. Ayan, dito natin siya i-stir fry mamaya na parang ano siya, yung may pagka-grill konti kasi iba yung ating texture ng kawali. Ayan, so maganda siya tingnan mamaya. Ayan guys, ayan na guys, ito na yung ating chicken. Ayan, hayaan lang natin na mag-sauce siya. Fry. Kasi itong kawali na to special to eh. special sa mga ganitong bagay. Yan lang natin ang pampakulay. Pampakulay yan lang guys. Para medyo maganda naman yung ating luto. Pampakulay lang yan. So, well done na guys. So, ganito na siya guys. Look. So, yummy. Ayan. Ganyan na kanyang risota. Ayan. Ayan. Mayroon naman tayong finished product today. Ano yung ating servings guys? Ayan. Ayan. So look yummy. Not only look yummy, it's so yummy. Yes, and then we have a guest. Ayan. Mayroon tayong guest today. Ayan. So ito yung ating servings. Ayan. At yung ating dog. Nag-snacks din siya. Boa, just hi to our vlog. Boa, Boa, look at me. Oop. Oop, Popo. Boa. Boa. Are you ignoring me? Boa. He doesn't care. Ayan guys, nag-add-on tayo ng fruits. Ayan. At salted cucumber. Ito ay homemade cucumber. Homemade salted cucumber. Ayan. Ginawa ni Granny. So, ayan. Guys. Mayroon akong video. I don't know it 4 years ago, 3 years ago. Ayan. Na mayroon akong video na gumawa ng homemade salted cucumber. Ayan. Ito yung ating setup for today. Ayan. So, ayan guys, sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe ng ating channel, please naman, don't forget to subscribe Donna Rosa Vlog. Donna Rosa Vlog. Come with me. Ayan, mayroon tayong song dyan, one. I will play for you. Also, the song here to our vlog. Okay? So, ayan guys. Thank you for watching. This is our vlog for today.